All right, here's a good question that you need to balance. It's question number 2 on the worksheet. And so often, if you see a CO3, you try and treat it as a single group. And because there's a CO3 over there too. So you can think, well, there's one CO3 here, but there's a CO3 over here. But in this question here, I have another carbon here that complicates the matter. So I have to break everything down. So I'm going to have to look at sodiums, at hydrogens, at carbons, and oxygens all separately. Okay, so let's maybe first start with sodium. I see one sodium here, and here there's 2. And so I think I need to put a 2 right there. Okay, so that gives me 2 sodiums. It also gives me 2 hydrogens. So over here, oh, I have 2 hydrogens. Okay. I also get 2 carbons, which I have 1 there and 1 there. Oh, so that's balanced. Cool. And now here, for oxygens, there's 2 up front, but there's a 3 here. So 2 times 3 gives me 6 oxygens. That's an oxygen. Okay, so over on this side, I have 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so it's balanced. So all I had to do was put a 2 out front of there, and that balanced the whole thing. It does get confusing a little bit when you're looking at equations. Let me just write it all out again. I put a 2 out here, out front there. So this 2 applies to everything that comes behind it. But a number back here only applies to the thing that it's right behind. So this one only applies to the oxygen, not to the carbon. And the 3 also doesn't apply to the sodium. And this 2 here only applies to the sodium. All right, hopefully that helps you figure out how to balance that one.